Okay, we are going to give a tutorial today on Sally's sprouted seed bread. This is not Sally, this is my mom, Kathy. I will not be on the video because I'm still in my PJs. Okay, we've lined up all of our ingredients. We're starting with a cup of organic raw sunflower seeds that have been chopped, not pulverized in a Vitamix or anything else that'll chop. Okay, that's good. We've pre-measured it, and that is 1 cup organic raw sunflower seeds. And then we have 1/2 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, and we've done the same thing to the pumpkin seeds, chopped. 1/2 cup organic raw pumpkin seeds. Just pulse it. And then 1/2 cup organic ground flax. My mom milled it with a coffee grinder. All right, and next we have 1.5 cups of organic rolled oats. Let's go back a bit. And then 2 tablespoons of organic chia seeds. Okay. The psyllium husks you can find in the fiber section of your grocery store. And they are 5 tablespoons organic psyllium husks. All right. The final dry ingredient.
Stir these up.
Oh, okay. Is the sea salt, a teaspoon of sea salt after stirring your dry ingredients.
Or before.
Or before. And this is to make 1 loaf. You can cut it into about 14 thin slices, so you have 14 servings. And 1 serving of this is about 10 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat, and about 6-7 grams of protein.
So I usually make 4 at a time. I have 3 of these, or 4 if you want to make 5. And then I make 1 in a bowl, and this is the one that I will take to completion. These I will make all the dry ingredients, and then put them in the refrigerator and use them. So I have a month's worth, or actually 6 weeks worth, because I'm the only one that eats them.
There's only one with good taste. So all then right. After mixing the dry ingredients, wait, let's see. This is 2 cups of water that we warmed up in the microwave, and then my mom melts the good oil. You can use ghee, you can use any good oil. She actually didn't have any of those on hand and used regular butter. 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. My macro count was according to 2, so I'm gonna have to recalculate for 4.
And you could use other oils too. It just says a good oil.
Yeah. And you can make your own ghee too, so maybe we'll make a separate.
Yeah, I do that. There's some good YouTube videos on how to make your own ghee.
Okay. So we'll save us and everyone else.
So
from that.
Every batch comes out a little differently, I've noted, because of weather. Dryness here, some of you will have humidity. So you might have to just play with the cooking time is all. So I buttered this cake pan, or this bread loaf pan, put parchment paper at the bottom that I just turned oil over, and then these are black sesame seeds. And then we'll put the batter in here, and then they cook right onto the top or bottom of your loaf, and they are really good for you.
I'm just kind of manipulating them around because this will be the bottom of your loaf, so there's kind of a little bit of an edge then when you cut it into your individual slices.
So you can see it's not it's lumpy, and it should be. There's just not much in there to make it anything else. So you put it in here, And then I just put either foil or plastic on it because nothing touches it. And you just let it set in the refrigerator for, what's it say, 12 to 16 hours?
6 to 24.
6 to 24 hours, and I usually do it overnight, depending on when I want to eat it. So, but 6 is the
Minimal.
lowest amount, and the reason is you want your oats to, what's the word? To soak up some of the liquid. So it just really makes a difference. You don't want to bake it right away. I suppose you could, but...
Okay. And then you will, after it sits for 6 to 24 hours, you'll bake it for 90 minutes or
60
until...
to 90.
60 to 90 minutes until the top is brown at 350.
And that is subject to change as well. You just kind of have to learn how to judge it.
Okay, so we got...
And we toast it usually.
Yeah, the individual, once it's finished and has cooled and we can cut our individual slices, we found that it's best to toast the individual slices and then you can put what you want on it. If you're going low carb like I am, I put just some more butter on it, low carb, high fat, and my mom is in the habit of putting Manuka honey on it for health reasons.
Just a sliver.
Okay.
Doesn't really need anything.
Yeah, it is kind of sweet and nutty by itself.
And very filling.
Okay.
There you go, ladies. Enjoy.